They leap from the sea like birds, but end up on dinner plates worldwide. Ever wondered how flying fish go from soaring to sizzling? Caught in tropical waters using both traditional techniques and modern tools, fishermen locate and net them swiftly, often at night. The real journey begins after the catch. Through gutting, filleting, grinding, and packaging, flying fish are turned into tasty products enjoyed across continents. Stay with us as we uncover the full journey of flying fish, from open ocean to global markets. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing behind-the-scenes stories from the world of food production. Let's dive into this fascinating process. Flying fish thrive in warm tropical and subtropical waters, especially near coasts and open seas. Fishermen use traditional knowledge and modern tools to find large schools. Knowing seasonal migration helps predict where fish gather. Technologies like sonar and fish finders detect fish concentrations underwater, aiding in location. Flying fish are most active during twilight and night when they leap out to escape predators, making them easier to catch at these times. Combining experience with technology allows fishermen to efficiently find and harvest flying fish schools, optimizing their catch during peak activity periods. Netting is the most common way to catch flying fish, using different nets for various situations. Cast nets are circular and thrown by hand to trap fish near the water's surface. Seine nets are large and spread from boats to surround whole schools, stopping the fish from escaping. Gill nets are vertical and catch fish by their gills when they swim through. Fishermen often work together with multiple boats to encircle flying fish schools efficiently. Once surrounded, they quickly pull in the nets before the fish can escape. This teamwork and special nets make netting very effective. At night, fishermen use bright lights to attract flying fish, taking advantage of their natural tendency to be drawn to light sources. When these lights shine on the water, flying fish gather near the surface, making them much easier to spot and catch. This method significantly improves the efficiency of fishing because it concentrates the fish in one area. Using strong lights, fishermen can attract large schools and quickly capture them with nets. Light fishing is especially useful in dark, open waters where it can be difficult to locate flying fish otherwise. This technique helps fishermen gather large quantities of flying fish in a relatively short time. After being caught, flying fish are quickly moved from boats to onshore facilities or processing plants to prevent spoilage, as their meat is delicate. Fishermen sort and clean the fish on the boat, removing debris and keeping them moist with seawater or ice to maintain freshness. Once sorted, the fish are packed in ice or chilled containers immediately. Refrigerated trucks or boats then transport the fish to nearby processing plants, usually close to fishing ports. This short transit time helps preserve the fish's quality and freshness for processing. When flying fish arrive at the factory, the first step is sorting and cleaning. Workers or machines carefully separate the fish by size and quality to ensure uniformity in the final products. This step is important because it helps maintain consistent standards. After sorting, the fish are thoroughly washed with clean water to remove salt, dirt, and any leftover scales or fins from the sea. Proper cleaning is essential to maintain hygiene and freshness, preparing the fish for further processing. This careful initial handling helps improve the overall quality of the finished products and reduces the risk of contamination. Scaling and gutting are vital steps to prepare flying fish for processing. Machines or skilled workers remove the fish scales, which is necessary for many types of products and improves texture. After scaling, the fish are gutted by removing the internal organs carefully. This step is critical because leftover organs can cause spoilage and affect the flavor of the fish meat. Removing these parts also helps extend shelf life and ensures the fish is ready for further processing, such as filleting or grinding. Proper scaling and gutting directly impact the quality and safety of the final product. In many factories, filleting is the next step after gutting. Workers or automated machines cut the flying fish into fillets, removing bones and skin carefully. This process produces boneless, skinless pieces of fish that are easier to cook and eat. Flying fish fillets are highly valued because of their tender texture and mild flavor. These fillets can be sold fresh, frozen, or used as ingredients in various dishes. Filleting increases the fish's market value and allows for a variety of product options, from fresh seafood sales to ready-to-cook meals. For certain processed products, the fish meat is separated from bones and skin after filleting or gutting. The flesh is then ground into a smooth paste, which serves as the base for items like fish balls, patties, or surimi. Grinding breaks down the meat fibers, making it easier to mix with other ingredients and shape into various forms. This paste is highly versatile and allows factories to create a wide range of products with different textures and flavors. Meat extraction and grinding are essential for producing popular processed fish products consumed worldwide. Once the fish paste is ready, it is mixed with other ingredients to improve flavor, texture and shelf life. Common additions include salt, starch, seasonings, and sometimes preservatives. This mixture is the foundation for popular products such as fish balls, surimi, and fish patties, especially in Asian markets. The added ingredients help bind the paste, enhance taste, and maintain moisture. Mixing is carefully controlled to achieve the right balance, ensuring the final product has the desired consistency and flavor profile. This step transforms raw fish meat into a versatile product ready for shaping and cooking. The mixed fish paste is then shaped into various forms, such as balls, patties, or other designs, depending on the product. After forming, these shapes are cooked by steaming or boiling. Cooking solidifies the texture, making the products firm and easy to handle. This process also makes the fish products shelf-stable, allowing them to be stored longer and sold in different markets. Proper cooking ensures safety by killing bacteria and improves taste and appearance. Forming and cooking are the final steps that turn processed fish paste into ready-to-eat or ready-to-cook products. After processing, flying fish products are carefully packaged to maintain quality and freshness. Fresh fillets are vacuum sealed to remove air, preventing oxidation and freezer burn. Frozen products are packed in airtight containers to protect against moisture and damage. Dried flying fish are wrapped in moisture-proof bags to prevent spoilage. Processed items like fish balls are sealed in trays or plastic bags to ensure hygiene and extend shelf life. Finally, all packaged products are stored in cold rooms or freezers to keep them fresh and safe until distribution to markets or customers. Processed flying fish products are distributed locally and internationally. Fresh and dried flying fish are sold directly to consumers in coastal markets, prized for their quality and flavor. Packaged products like fillets and processed items reach supermarkets, restaurants, and distributors worldwide. Flying fish are especially popular in Asian cuisine, where their tender meat is considered a delicacy. In the Caribbean, they are often dried and salted for long-term preservation. This broad distribution network supports demand across various culinary cultures, making flying fish an important seafood product globally. From soaring above the sea to sizzling on your plate, the journey of flying fish is nothing short of incredible. These agile swimmers are caught using lights, nets, and know-how, then quickly processed through a series of precise steps, from gutting and filleting to forming tasty fish balls and packaging them for markets worldwide. It's a perfect mix of tradition and technology, keeping your seafood fresh, safe, and delicious. What part of this process amazed you the most? Let's know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening food industry stories.